So you want to be a water truck driver, a vacuum truck driver, a service provider to rigs, someone that services the rigs. So a water truck is designed to service oil wells and oil rigs, or fracking areas, or sometimes compressor stations. First dynamic of any career is safety, right? Safety protocols. And a very important safety protocol in the oil industry is awareness. Awareness of H2S. They call that H2S the silent killer. If you're lucky, you might just get a scent of ache. Sometimes it's very silent and your nose might start running, right? Because everything out here in the oil field is chemicals or gases. So knowing H2S awareness is very, very important. It's crucial to your life, crucial to staying alive and being safe amongst yourself and amongst other colleagues that are out here in the field as well. Everybody wears their H2S monitor. It needs to be bumped at least every month to make sure that it's within its parameters. You also need good boots. Very, very good shoes. During winter, I found out how important good boots were. And don't be afraid to spend north of $350 if you need to for some very good work boots. I have Ariats, and I will say that brand of boot literally saved my life. In many situations that are random, right? I mean, working in minus 15 degree weather when it's snowing, right? When you are moving hoses or working, I mean, these are, like, in my personal opinion, the best kind of boots that are out there. That's a tank. And that there is called the catwalk. So that's a tank of many tanks. If you use Google Maps, make sure you get familiar on using the satellite version of the Google Maps. The map in itself oftentimes tries to give you shortcuts that don't work, because while they may think, artificial intelligence may think that there is a road, it may not be a road that's suitable for a big rig that's at 80,000 pounds. You don't want that to happen, especially when you're loaded. Yeah, my main priority is awareness of safety, especially that H2S and a lot of hydrocarbons. How your body's going to react to hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons are gases that your lungs breathe. Then your liver tries to remove all the toxins out of your body that your lungs are breathing. So make sure you stay hydrated. Make sure you're around a lot of ventilated areas. If you're working around reduced water or any substance for that fact, I use 2 sets of gloves. I use the black surgeon's gloves that are like mechanics gloves, and I use my chemical gloves just to be on the safe side. So I'm always going through gloves. I spend about maybe $30 a week, depending on the actual chemicals that I'm around. In this industry, and what I mean by we, anyone that services an oil rig is going to work alongside brine, B-R-I-N-E, brine, which is water with salt. And a lot of rigs use that for cement jobs or sometimes fracking, right? You'll learn real quickly that if you're not using the right kind of gloves, your hands are going to dry up real quick. And again, all of this goes into your body. So, you know, other times we may be hauling OBM, oil-based mud, or water-based mud. I guess the point is you can never be safe, right? You can never be too safe. Just as a precautionary method, you know, always be prepared. H2S, good boots. You need good boots. You definitely need good boots out here. That I definitely will stress 100%. Good boots. And what I mean by that is, I mean, you're hauling, as I said, brine, oil-based mud, water-based mud, water. You could be hauling cement, produced water, and, you know, just moving around, hoses. You need a very, very good shoe, especially if it's cold. I mean, weather, it just changes. And, you know, the health-wise, just take good care of yourself. So, it's a short video. Anyhow, H2S, boots, GPS on your phone. Make sure if you do use Google Maps, use the satellite version, because it'll give you a better diagram of the actual, you know, if it's a wider road, or like this one, or if it's just a narrow road. That even a lot of trucks have, like 4x4s even have a problem driving through that sand. God bless you. God bless your family. God bless the hard-working Americans in the United States of America. It takes a lot of grit. It takes a lot of perseverance, a lot of resilience to get the job done. We are living in a new world where computer science is taking over a lot of jobs. A lot of families are changing, a lot of jobs are being eliminated. So if you do decide that you really want to try out a career as a water truck driver, just listen to the videos and understand that nothing's impossible as long as you learn everything well and take your time. Everything should be great. Make your money and you know, raise a successful family. God bless.